with another one.
All right, guys, so this right here is my 2006 Dodge Ram 1500. We installed a 6-inch rough country lift kit on it, got new headlights in it. What we're going to do today is we're going to put in new fog lights, okay? One right here and one on this side. Now, these are the new fog lights. I already took the old ones out and I repurposed the clips. So these old rusty clips came out of the old fog light. I put them on the new ones. Now, before you install these, you need to know which side is the left and which side is the right, because you can put either or on either side, okay? If you look in this hole right here, let's see, if you look up, it's kind of hard to see it, but right here, it's a dip right there. That is where you will actually adjust your fog light, okay? So you need to make sure that the screw is up there. So that's at the top. All right, so let's see. This one right here, see? This is the way it goes in. And it'll go in this way. But see, this adjustment screw is at the bottom. You want it at the top. So you're gonna get this one. See that? They both turned the same way. You're gonna get this one, because this is the one with the adjustment screw at the top. Some of these fog lights like this say right or left, and it just, you know, tells you which side it goes on, but these do not have that. I got these from Amazon. These are dual fog lights. You get the gold color and you get the hyper white color, okay? It'll come on as the hyper white color first, and then when you press the button again and turn it off and turn it back on, you'll get the gold color. All right, so like I said, the adjustment screws on the top, so this one's gonna go on this side. So let's get it installed. All right, so removing the fog light is very easy. You have two 10 millimeters on this side, and then you have a single 10 millimeter on that side. So technically you take the light, you put it in here without scratching it, and then you can connect it and then put the bolts in. So we're gonna do that first. All right, now remember, like what I said, you want the adjustment screw at the top, right where that little divot is right there, if you can see that. Okay, so technically all you're gonna do is take the light, put the light in the inside just like this. Try not to scratch your light up. Actually, let's go in this way. There we go. Just like that. See? And then we're gonna line up, see how I'm lining up the holes? I'm gonna line up the holes on both sides and put the screws in. So I'm gonna let it rest and I'll be back. All right, so we have two screws in here and we have a screw here, and it's loose right now, okay? You want it to be loose because we want to center the fog light, okay? All right, so this is where you're gonna need two people. You're gonna need someone to hold this light so that it is lined up with this hole. So just like that right there. See, and that's perfect. But you could tighten it up like this. So you want somebody to hold it like this while you tighten it. All right. All right, guys, so we got the fog light in, and I want to show you. You see how you can see the adjustment screw? And the same one with the other side, okay? So what we're gonna do is let you see how they look. All right, guys, so that's the white light, and that's the amber. That's the white, and that is the amber. White, amber. So guys, I like this. This turned out really good. And that right there is how you change your fog lights out and put in the dual bulb fog lights. They are LED. They're awesome. If you turn the lights on, you can see down here at the bottom, this right here and that one are right beside each other. At first, this one was up here, so I had to adjust one up, one back. But you want that light right where it touches the ground. You can either do that one or you can do this one right here. So you want them to be side by side. One right here, the other one right here. Okay, that's how you want it, because this right here will be back and this one might be up. And the same with the ones that's closer to the vehicle. You can do either one. I would suggest doing these. It's brighter, so you can tell. It's easier to tell. All right, so that is it. I'm glad I was able to show you guys how to install the fog lights. Let's see them change one more time. And there you go. One more time. Yeah, that looks good. All right, that's it. All right, guys, it's J.O.A.T.D, and I'm out.